Guys, what's up? I hope you all are having an awesome weekend. I wanted to touch base on the new product I'm releasing on my website I'm developing right now. I think it's going to be QCRC is going to be the name of it. I may change that, but at this time that's probably what it's going to be. But anyway, I just kind of want to touch base. This is going to be the ultimate CEN F-450 Hitch Kit. I have developed this over the last 4 months or so. Tested it, broke it, fixed it, perfected it, and made it to how I like it. Now, it is not perfect. It's probably never going to be perfect. Nothing will ever be perfect, but it's about as close as I can get it, and I'm very happy with it. I haven't broken this last prototype yet, and I'm really satisfied with the way it turned out. And I think I'm ready to release it to the market. So, guys, I really am excited to share this with you and go through this video. I appreciate you watching this. Don't forget to subscribe for all this awesome stuff coming up. We are definitely developing more products. This is just the first one of many we're going to be developing, especially for the CEN. She needs a bunch of stuff, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be a journey. I'm glad y'all are with this, doing this with me, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. So thank you for watching. Let's dive into it. Okay, so what we have is the ultimate hitch kit for the CEN F-450. At this time of its release in 2021. This is going to help extend the hitch out to the edge of the bumper like a normal truck is. It's going to strengthen the trailer hitch and just make it have longevity, have the adjustability of going outward, up and down, and just for everything that you could possibly need to tow a car trailer, a little off-road trailer if it's lifted a little bit. It just helps give that versatility to do whatever you want to do with it. So we're going to show it to you guys, and let's dive straight into it, and I'll go into detail. So first off, I only feel it's right if we show it on this truck. This is a CEN F-450. It is lifted, has 110 millimeter king shocks on it, so it does sit a little high right now. It will go down, all that stuff, but that doesn't affect this. This is where the frame sits. So this is essentially how it's going to look on the truck. Right here is where we have our frame extensions. They're going to bolt to the factory frame bracket that the normal hitch does, and they're going to extend this out right to the edge of the bumper. Now, I first want to start with what we started with. So if you bought a CEN F-450, which I'm sure if you're watching this video you did or you're thinking about it, this is what you get. Now, this is not 100% what you get. You don't get the JB weld that I put on here. But you get this guy right here, which would bolt to the end of the frame right here and stop right there at the back of the fender well. So that bad boy is going to stop about right here. Now, if you're like me, you can go ahead and take a wild guess and say that the trailer is going to have to come under the back of the truck and the bumper to be able to fit a trailer. That's not how it's supposed to work. It's not practical. I don't think that would look good, and that's just not how I believe it was supposed to be. So, not only did I not think that was a good idea, CEN also must have not thought that was a good idea, because this is what they came out with as their solution. This is supposed to be an extended hitch kit, which looks good in theory, looks really good, I admit. I'm not too fond of this, the looks of that, especially on the truck, but overall, just the quality and everything looks pretty good. This is machined aluminum, looks very good, very nice, and it worked. This would extend the hitch out to the same length that I have mine, would bolt up right here. They come with little screws, little washers, and etc., etc. Awesome, okay, cool deal. I'll show you what this is on the truck. Okay, now here is the CEN Chaos upgraded advanced tuning part, extended hitch installed on the truck, same position. But when you get to this bad boy right here, this also has adjustability in and out, cool. I haven't even bent the shocks yet. To fully bend these shocks and extend them, these have like 50 weight oil in them, same oil I had last time. With my hand, it's not hard at all to move these. To fully compress my shocks, you're bending this almost all the way. Okay, now here's my trailer. This is just one I made. It's not made out of steel. This is aluminum all the way through. I mean, you can't see I've painted it, but it is aluminum. It has 2 wood pieces here. It's just a homebrew trailer, but we take this and put it on here, and I can show you, like, this is not heavy at all. I can do whatever I want with it. It's not heavy by any means. It probably weighs a little less than the truck. But anyway, so we'll go ahead and take this. nothing on the trailer. The trailer is even at an incline right now, and it's still bowing the hitch. Now, let's take a truck and put on here. Here in my hand, I have an Axial SCX 10.3 Gladiator, and we're going to take and put it on this trailer. Doesn't look good, folks. It's not looking too good for the Chaos hitch. And this is just a Gladiator SCX 10.3, just normal stuff, stock wheels. I'll take the body off and show you. There's no weight sitting in here to make it heavier. Nothing in here. It's just a normal Gladiator. I have no metal axles. It's all stock minus bumpers and accessories. And this is what we're getting. Look at that. I don't know about you guys, but I don't trust that to tow anything. At least not a long period of time. So our trailer is flat and we are pushed down just like this. I don't even want to know what happened if we go over a bump or something or start normal driving. That's crazy. I'm not trying to be harsh. I'm not trying to be mean or anything. I'm just being completely honest. I don't believe this hitch was a good design. I know it could be made better, so that's why I decided to make this and sell it to you guys, because I don't want you guys to spend money on this and then it end up breaking or just not being good. I even tried to show my TRX4 on it, which probably weighs a little less or about the same as the Gladiator around, and I couldn't even get anywhere because the trailer hitch would bend and it would start dragging the trailer on the ground. It's just not a good design. I don't want you guys to spend money on this and then have to buy another one. If you did, I know you're paying. I bought one too, but hey. We're here now and I have a solution for this and it works very well. So now let me show you my solution in full with a kit, and then we'll go about explaining it in detail and what all you'll be getting. If you do decide to purchase a kit from me, this is what you'll be getting in your package. It will be unassembled. You'll have to assemble it yourself. I will make another video showing assembly on the truck, assembly as a unit, and then assembly on the truck. What you're going to be getting first is the ball mount. This is where the trailer ball is going to screw into, and then that's going to be secured to the truck with one of these guys right here. This guy is going to run through the side and screw it into this, and then you don't have to. I'm not running one, I haven't, but there's going to be a nut and a washer supplied to more secure that if you'd like. I'm not using one, but it's an option there if you guys would like to. And then secondly, you're going to get this piece. This is going to go into the receiver hitch right here, and it's going to have the ball connected right here, and this can go in and out and up and down adjustability. And this is kind of what this guy looks like. Then you have the extension pieces. These are going to extend the receiver mount from the frame to connect all of this together at the end of the bumper. And these guys are going to look like this. You're also going to get 4 screws, 4 nuts, and 4 washers with that to secure this to the frame, and I'll go over all of this in the installation video. Then you're also going to get your receiver mount. This is going to mount to the frame extensions, and then you're going to mount your hitch to with the ball mount and everything together. And this has just got some holes cut in it just to cut down on material and also just give it some lighter weight. These are going to have 2 mounting points on it. I only use the outside mounting point, but you are welcome to use whichever you'd like. These are the 2 little things that will hold the chains on a trailer, safety chains, if you would like to do so. And that's that right there. This is going to come with 2 screws right here to be able to hold this together in whichever position you like. I prefer the outside. Also, something I want to note, as you can see here, these may vary by appearance. It's not going to affect the structural integrity of them. You can take a solution to them, smooth it out and everything, but it does affect the structural integrity of it because it actually eats the plastic material and could cause it to be not as strong as possible. So I'm just leaving this as raw 3D printed stuff. I think some things do happen, so please keep that aware and just keep an open mind to it. This is my first time trying to make this stuff and produce it in a scale form, so I appreciate all of y'all's patience and all of your understanding of everything. So here's my solution, all in all put together, not installed on a truck. Just like it is, it's not heavy at all. This is compared to the Chaos one. Here is my kit on the truck without the body on. It mounts in the factory mounting points. It's going to come with 2 screws with nuts that go on the back of washers you can put here. then this is going to come out and extend into this mounting piece that mounts this. You're gonna have options to put 2 screws in it, or you can just do 1 like I have. I've not had a problem with 1. I've never actually put 2. I just designed it like that because that's how the factory one does. The CEN one has 2 holes, so I put 2 holes in this one, but it's totally not needed. I've never put another screw in it. You're going to have these 2 little hooks down here where you can hook chains on a trailer like a real trailer would if you decide to put chains in your trailer. And then you're going to come with this guy. It's going to have right here, it's going to have in and out adjustability as far as up and down with this. And you're going to get a standard ball. I believe this is a 5.8 mil ball. And this is how it's going to look on the truck. See right here, I'm going to take my finger and push down. Very sturdy. I'm putting a lot of pressure on this. I'm trying not to slam it down. And it is just very sturdy. I have not broken one. You can do all the frame twisting you want with it. You can put a load on it. I'm actually picking the front of the truck up. Have my little chains that I was talking about I put on here. So take this guy, put them on here. It will bottom the shocks out, of course, but then you're able to take your chains, put them through these holes, and just like that. Now, see, it's not bent, it's not doing anything weird. This is just very solid. I'm moving the whole shock system now. And now we can grab a truck and put on here if we'd like. It's going to get put on the trailer. And this is now fully on the trailer. There's no bend to this. There's nothing. If anything, it's going to pick the front wheels up off the truck. But nothing is bent here. Nothing is happening. I'm putting also more pressure, and we're still picking the front of the truck up. Trailer. What we're also going to do is kind of scoot this bad boy back in a way, like that. And we have a Gamma A319 nitro buggy, full, ready to go, minus tires, motor and everything's in it. We're also going to set this bad boy right here. So that is my ultimate CEN hitch kit. I really think it's going to be an awesome thing for you guys. I hope everybody out here can get one if you want it and thoroughly enjoy it and have no problems towing anything, and tow with confidence that you're not going to break it. I'm towed with confidence on my stuff now, and you see I kind of put my truck through everything, so it definitely holds up to all my abuse. I don't think it would have any problem holding up to you guys' abuse. Also keep in mind, this is just one of many things. I'm going to develop many more products. This is my first one. I'm officially like releasing out to everyone to purchase. There may be some others later on. I may send to you some of you guys if you want to help me prototype and test them. Be like, hey, go ahead and give me some feedback too. I probably would definitely do that in the future because the CEN's going to get a lot of upgrades. I'm planning on making a ton of parts for it. I really hope I can share this with you guys and you guys enjoy these parts and are able to use these parts and thoroughly enjoy them yourself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you like my design. If you do, I will leave a link in the description of where you can go purchase this. I'm working on my website right now. I also may have them for sale on eBay, and I'll post in the CEN forums and everything on Facebook and just try to get it out there. If you want to share this video, that would be awesome. It would mean the world to me if you could share it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. If you want me to develop something else, let me know. I'll be happy to take all the comments into consideration. I really appreciate you guys watching. I really appreciate your understanding, your patience, and just everything, guys. Thank you guys so much. None of this would be possible without you, and I just want to say thank you. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I really appreciate you watching this.